আমি বসে লইছি बैठा हूँ ভালো লাগে না তোমার বিনা दीदी ने कहा दिया बाबा नहीं देखा ठीक है বসে রয়েছি আমরা আমরা খালি করতে ওটা তো একটু থাকে থাকে ওরা আর সব লক্ষ করে তারপর আপনি তাই না আমি এই হ্যাঁ আমি ওই সামনে একটু বলি আছে ওটা ধরে ওই একটু ঘুরি শাক শাক ডাকি যায় না খাবে সাথে ডাকি না শাক ঠিকঠাক হয়ে যায় ঘরে যাবো এ তো ভালো চলে যায় সকালবেলা আর একা একা ঘরে বসে বসে রই হ্যাঁ
Hey guys, you're listening to Horizon Base Arena with me, Scott Tyler, on the first day of the Horizon Festival. It's already a beautiful Colorado morning here with a forecast for high energy, scattered rhythms, and plenty of thundering engines. Hey, the word here is that the reigning champ, Darius Flint, will be arriving at Horizon today. So, if you're on the roads just now, then stay out of his way, kids. He does not play well with others. This is Horizon. Keep it here. People, Darius Flint really is approaching Horizon right now. And word is, he's already racing. Typical Darius. But hey, it doesn't matter who you are or what you're driving, okay? Bring your ride and bring your friends and just get down here now, okay? It's day one of the greatest festival on earth, and we are gonna have some fun this year, yes! And wait, before more music, we have got a very special guest here with a big announcement. CEO of Horizon, Alice Hart. Alice, how you doing?
Hey, Scott. How are you?
I'm great, I'm great. What have you got for us, Alice?
Well, this is shaping up to be Horizon's biggest year yet. The Horizon Championship starts tomorrow morning, and I have places in the heats up for grabs to the next 10 cars who arrive at the Horizon entrance.
Oh, damn, girl, that is too cool. Hey, yo, if anyone out there is still on their way, you have got a chance to make it into the Horizon Heats. Come on! cars left in the heats. Get moving. If you want to take part in the festival this year, you better get here fast.
In 400 yards, keep left. Keep left. In 400 yards, you will arrive at your destination.